Hi, good afternoon. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi ma'am, I'm Rosita Santana. I'm 39 years old. I'm single, no kid.
What is your education?
I'm high school graduate.
How many brother and sister do you have?
We are five siblings. I have three sisters and one brother.
Can you tell me about your working experience before?
I was working experience in Singapore. I was took care of 3 years old kid, and also I have experience in Hong Kong with a kid also, which is 2 years and a half. And also I have the second employer also, which is a couple only without kid.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why do you want to go back in Hong Kong?
I just want to go back to Hong Kong to earn money and also to support my family.
Okay. Are you scared dogs and cats?
Yes, ma'am.
You scared?
Yes.
Okay. Any food doesn't it? Are you allergic to any food?
No, ma'am.
What food can you cook?
I can cook Filipino food and also Chinese food.
Okay. Can you accept no day off to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you accept take or older person and assist them all their needs?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to cut your hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise not hair coloring and nail art?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my future employer in Hong Kong, I hope that you choose me. If you choose me, I won't upset you. I will do my best so you can satisfy my service.
Can you promise to finish your 3 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you.